Hello friends. Many of us were asking how to add a sale price onto the Shopify products. So today I'll show you how you can add sale price on Shopify products. So we are going to add sale price for this particular product. So what you have to do for this product, now we are selling at a price of 200 dirhams. Now we are going to offer a sale for this product, and we are going to sell it for 150 dirhams. So what we have to do is we have to go to the admin panel, go to the products, choose that particular product that we want to give an offer. And if you have different variants, you have to click on each variant. You have to click on edit. See, there are two fields here under the pricing tab. You have a field called price and compare at price. So how to add the sale price is the price that you are going to give now as a sale price, you have to add it over here. So you give it as 150, and the older price, the previous price, we have to add it as compare at price, that is 200. The before price was 200. So here you have to give the after price, and here you have to give the before price, and you have to click on save. Now we go to our website, and you can see the sale price have come as 150, and there is a strike off on the older price 200. There a tag called sale also comes there. Hope that helps. Thank you.